Good morning students. Today we will be going on with central bank and I will be telling you three functions of the central bank. So for today only three central functions of the central bank and what do you mean by central bank, how it works. Basically now central bank here is an apex body which provides country's monetary system, or I can say it is an institution of a country's monetary system. It is basically designed and controlled for the country's monetary policy, and which is the main responsibility of it. Now, India got its central bank in 1935. The name is Central Bank of India. So, it is the apex bank engaged in banking regulations in the commercial bank in India. Now, when I talk about the functions, the first function is authority of current issue or bank of issue. So basically the authority of current issue and bank of issue is here. Basically central bank is the sole is the sole authority to issue the currency in the country. What happens, it promotes efficiency in the financial system. Now basically the reason with respect to this efficiency, there are two reasons. First, it leads to uniformity in the issue of currency, and second, it gives the central bank direct control over the monetary supply. That was the first function of central bank. Now, when I talk about banker to the government or government's bank, so there are many role I can say related to banker to the government or government's bank. So first, banker to the government, what do you mean by banker to the government? Meaning, central banks give the same banking facilities to the government which commercial banks gives to the public. Like certain facilities which are provided by commercial bank to the public, similar facilities, or I can say different facilities, are provided by commercial banks to central banks to commercial banks. Now how it helps will help you out. The first part is that it provides large number of banking functions to the government, like maintaining balances, arranging, managing funds. It gives loan to the government. Now I have here drawn a diagram related to receipt and payment. Even central bank accepts receipts and it makes payment as well. So it also works as an agent while regarding for the collection of taxes to the government, manages public debt, acts as a financial advisor to the government as well. We will study these in detail in the later part. Now, banker's bank is basically the central bank who has surplus cash reserves of commercial bank. As central bank has surplus cash reserves of commercial bank, so whenever commercial bank needed funds, central bank provides loans to the commercial banks. It has certain large routine banking functions as well, like check clearing, remittance facilities, acts as a supervisor. The central bank also makes rules like licensing, branch expansion, liquidity of assets. So in this way, the control is exercised by periodic inspection of banks and the returns filed by them as well. Like certain amalgamation, like merging of banks and liquidation, is handled by the central bank. So these are all the important three functions, major functions, which are to be kept in mind. If you have any doubt, do let me know. For today, thank you.